In this video, I'm going to show you the best businesses to start in 2024 as a complete beginner so you can finally quit that job you hate and start living the rich life. First up is a business that has made people with no business experience tens of millions of dollars in the first few months of 2024. And the best part is every single one of y'all can do this as long as you have an internet connection and know what social media is, which you clearly do if you're watching this video. In fact, you've probably spent money on this business model before without even realizing it. It's called the TikTok Shop affiliate business. If you've been scrolling on TikTok lately, I'm sure you've noticed this new button called Shop on some videos. Well, whenever you click on that button and buy the product, the person who tagged that product makes money. Like if we look at this girl's video about some snail face product that's probably just snail jizz, you can see 11,300 of these bottles have sold on TikTok Shop so far, which equals $170,743 in sales. And since TikTok Shop gives you anywhere from 5 to 30% of sales, that means creators have made between $8,000 to $50,000 promoting this product thus far. And since this girl's video has over 2 million likes, I'd assume she's the affiliate for more than half of those sales, which means she most likely made $25,000 from this one video. Let that sink in. This one video that she filmed in her bathroom and probably spent 5 minutes editing made her $25,000. That's half of an average American salary and 10 times the salary in some other countries. All because she decided to make a quick 1-minute product review on her TikTok. Any one of y'all could have done this. Any of y'all. It's just 5 simple steps. First, create a TikTok account. You probably already have a TikTok account, but if you don't, search TikTok on the App Store, download it, then create an account. Second, sign up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. All you have to do is search that phrase on Google, then fill out the application TikTok gives you. Third, once your application is approved, you need to buy the products. You can actually make content using the product. Depending on what item you chose, you may need to buy multiple to use an array of videos. Fourth, make enticing content that persuades viewers to actually buy your product. This can be done by making product review videos or by copying what others already do to promote the same product. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Fifth, if you've been doing this for a few weeks and see no results, pick a new product and restart the process. You should eventually find a winner. Like this girl tried a few products on her pages that all failed, then out of nowhere she made videos on this men's cologne product which got over $2.5 million in sales and probably made her over $50,000. So that proves if you just stay consistent and keep trying, eventually something will work. Oh, and if y'all want me to do a TikTok Shop challenge where I try to make $1,000 in 1 week, get this video the 10,000 likes and me the 250k subscribers. We're getting so close. Next up is the first real business I ever started back in 2016 that has made me over $1 million in the last 3 years. It's social media. And before I teach you how you can make money with social media with or without showing your face, I'm going to go over all the best influencer money making methods so you're aware of them all. And to do this in the most transparent way possible, I'll show you the analytics from one of my YouTube videos on this channel that has 5 sources of income making me money daily. If we look at this Take Dropshipping Challenge video I made last year, you can clearly see the first income source YouTubers have, which is AdSense. This video has made me a total of $4,578.75 so far from AdSense, which is actually pretty bad for being an over 8-minute long finance video. Yeah, the RPM is only $13 from this video when it's normally $20 to $30 on my channel. So normally I would have made double this amount. And if you're confused on what RPM stands for, it means how much money you receive per 1,000 views on your video. Like finance channels are normally paid $10 to $30 per 1,000 views, fitness channels get paid $5 to $8, beauty channels get paid $8 to $12, and random content gets paid $2 to $4. Then if we click on the actual video itself, you can see this paid promotion tab pops up, which means a company paid me to promote their product or service in this video, which is the second source of income, brand deals. Brand deals are what most influencers make the majority of their money from. This is when a company pays you a flat rate fee for you to talk about them in your video. This fee can be as little as $100 or as high as millions of dollars depending on your follower count, average views, your niche, and other factors. Major corporations have seen the massive influx in influencer marketing this decade, so they keep keep paying influencers more and more money each year. For example, AutoDS sponsored this video because it's about drop shipping and they're a drop shipping fulfillment company. They know their ideal customer base watches my videos, so they pay me a flat rate fee for me to inform my audience about AutoDS. Plus, they also gave me an affiliate link so I can make extra money when people sign up, which is the third source of income, affiliates. It's very common that a sponsor will split your payment into a guaranteed base rate for making the video plus a per sale model, so if the video blows up, you continue to get paid for every sign up rather than just getting that initial base rate. This video has multiple affiliates, including AutoDS, Shopify, TikTok ads, and Tate's course. So separately, that's like 6 income sources, and together that brings us to 4 different income sources from this one video. This is what all smart creators do. Like, for example, say you made snowboard videos, you could have 10 plus affiliate links for your board, boots, goggles, clothes, etc. that all make you money from promoting products you actively use. It's a win-win-win situation. You get paid, the company gets paid, and the viewer gets a percentage off their order for using your link. And the last income source making me money from this video is selling my own product. KSI did this with Prime, Mr. Beast did this with Feastables, Jake Paul did this with his merchandise, and every other smart YouTuber is selling something valuable to their community. So in total, this one video with only 300,000 views made me over $40,000. And if you want a higher chance of making more money with your business, I recommend using the sponsor of today's video, .online domains. One of the biggest challenges in the online business space is finding the perfect domain name. And let's be honest, most of the good .com domains are already taken. That's where .online comes in. With .online, you have a much better chance of snagging the exact domain you want, making it a lot easier for customers to find you. This extension is perfect for all types of businesses, whether you're just starting out or you're already successful. By having a .online domain, you're not just choosing a name, you're choosing a brand that's easy to remember and instantly tells people that you're open for business online. It's a domain that can help increase your profits because it makes you easier to find and connect with. Plus, the word online is recognized globally, so it adds that extra layer of credibility. And for a limited time, you can get your own .online domain for free for the first year by going to www.get.online and using code Logan free, or by clicking the link in my description. Next up is the business model that recently started trending again, day trading. Day trading is when you buy and sell a stock within the same trading day in hopes you profit from market moves. AKA, you make money when you correctly predict if the stock will increase or decrease in value based on your technical analysis. This is a great way to make loads of money once you learn how to do it, but unfortunately the learning curve normally takes 3 to 7 years, and a scary fact is 90% of day traders never make a profit. So instead of day trading, I'm going to recommend you do long-term investing. This is a great way to grow your money over time because the average person who holds stocks for more than 20 years is profitable, and right now if you sign up for an investing app like Webull or Moomoo, you can get some free money. Webull is giving all new members who deposit any amount of money on their platform $18,000 to $18,000 in free stocks, and Moomoo is giving all new members $30,000 to $30,000 who reach their deposit limit. So if you want some free money, sign up for both of those with the affiliate links in my description, deposit some money, then claim your free stocks. The earlier you start investing, the more likely you are to make money. Next up is the most talked about online business that people say is oversaturated, which isn't true, they just suck at it. It's dropshipping. Dropshipping is a form of e-commerce where you sell other people's products on your own branded website for a higher price. For example, you can get this portable movie projector for 15 bucks on AliExpress, so you create your own store selling it for 3 times the price, which is $45, then market it with organic and paid social media ads like these. Then when someone buys it, you get the $45, use 15 of those dollars to buy the product on AliExpress, then AliExpress will ship the projector straight to the customer while you profit $30 for every projector sold. It's by far one of the best businesses there is because even if you fail, the knowledge you will learn by starting your first few stores will definitely change your life. You'll learn sales, marketing, fulfillment, ad creation, and pretty much every other skill you need to succeed in business. And lucky for y'all, I created an AI that will build you a drop shipping store with winning products for free. All you have to do is click the first link in my description, press build your free store. Then after answering a few questions, you'll have a professional dropshipping store that can make you tens of thousands of dollars per month. This offer won't last forever though, so make sure to build your free store right now by clicking the first link in my description. And after you finish building your store, you can watch this in-depth dropshipping tutorial that'll teach you how to make the most sales possible with your new dropshipping brand. Just click right here to watch it, and God bless.